The least number of complete years in which a sum of money put out at 20% compound interest will be more than double as. So now the formula which we can use in compound interest is A is equal to P into bracket 1 plus R by 100 raised to N. Now we want the principal to be doubled. Okay. Now if we assume principal as 100, so amount should be greater than or equal to 200. Okay. So now we have the options 3, 4, 5, 6. Let's start with 3. Okay. So amount we want to find out, it should be greater than or equal to 200. Okay. Now principal is 100. 1 plus R is 20%. So 20 upon 100. And we have taken the first option as N. So that is 3. So now this becomes 100 into 12 upon 10 whole cube. Because the zeros get cancelled out, we get 12 upon 10. So 100 into 12 cube, that is 1728, and 10 cube, that is 1000. Now two zeros get cancelled out. Basically now we have 172.8. So when we take n equal to 3, amount is still less than 200. So therefore option A will be eliminated. Okay. Now, because the question asked is least, we are starting from the smallest value in the options. Now we'll take the next smallest value, that is n equal to 4. So now amount is equal to 100 into 1 plus 20 by 100 raised to 4. Okay. So now it will become 100 into 12 by 10 raised to 4. Okay. So now 12 raised to 4 is 20,736, and 10 raised to 4 will be 10,000. Now out of that, two zeros will get cancelled out. We'll get the final answer as 207.36. So amount is 207.36 after 4 years, which is greater than 200. That is double the principal. So therefore, the least number of complete years will be 4.